Welcome back to Butterfly, guys. So excited. We're in Grand Falls. Look at these falls, man. They are raging. Can't wait to show you. There's the dams and the falls are raging today, like I said, because there's a lot of flooding going on. So a lot more water is coming down here. Let's go a little further down. Let's do the walking tour. Oh, look at it bursting over there. I love that. Check out this. We're going to go all the way to the end to show you where the water ends up. And over here it's like a whirlpool. Crazy. And then this is where the water flows to. Right off a busy highway. It is beautiful. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Hope you're having a great day. I know I am.